Always do the fingernail test after water damage before you do the repair, because a lot of times there's some lifted or loose areas of the paint and drywall paper that you don't see with your eyes, but you can hear when you go over the hollow sections.
Use a spray can of Kills to seal any dusty surface off. This ensures that you'll get good adhesion from your joint compounds and drywall tape, and you're not going to have any issues having to go back and cut out sections that didn't adhere properly. Today I'm going to be matching a medium orange peel texture. You're going to want to cover everything that you don't want texture on before you spray. Do a test spray on a scrap piece of cardboard to get familiar with the spray pattern before you start your project. First, you want to unlock the tab by bending it backwards. It is a relocking tab, so don't break it off. Adjust nozzle upward to the desired spray angle, whether you're doing a ceiling or wall. Be sure not to point it at you or anyone else while doing this. Turn the can upside down and shake it vigorously for more than a minute until you hear the marble inside rolling around freely. Now you're ready to spray. Hold the can approximately 12 to 18 inches away from the surface, using intermittent bursts sweeping across the repair in a quick, continuous motion. Also, as you're spraying the texture, feather it out into the existing wall. That way, when you go to paint, it blends nicely. Allow 30 minutes to dry, possibly a little longer, depending on the humidity in the room you're doing the drywall repair in, and then you're ready to paint. No primer needed. I also wanted to show you the flawless orange peel texture finish I got on these repairs while the paint was wet, because it really lights up the texture and you can't even tell there was ever a repair. Subscribe for more painting and drywall tips. Thanks for watching.